Hi everybody, it's Jennifer and Pusheen, and today I've got my Halloween Advent, day 3, so let's get started. So let's start with, today we'll start with Lather, and this is Lather's day 3. It's exciting. So for day 3 in Lather, we have a stitch marker. And here is the stitch marker, and that's like really cute. It's a little big for a stitch marker, but it'll work. There it is. So we have that, and now we have our Paw Ply for today. There it is, day 3. And let's take a look and see what it is. It's exciting. Oh my, I'm not peeking. Oh, isn't that beautiful? That's gorgeous. Gorgeous. So, I've been keeping them in this skull. So, here are the ones for Paw Ply. Right there. They look amazing. They're beautiful. And so far, this is Lather's, and the first one was the hook. So here's Lather plus the hook. So that is day 3. I hope you guys are enjoying it. In the meantime, stay safe, be kind to one another, and yes, I'll be filming day 4, but you won't see it till day 4. Stay safe, be kind to one another, and as always, happy yarning. Bye now.